Hey folks, so today we're gonna fill the garden up one more time because we got some greenery that's starting on the top there that we don't want, and then it's planting season. There we go.
Flip it upside down. Yep.
Can
And
I
gently
do it?
squeeze and pull just a little bit.
No, I want you to do it.
No. He needs help.
For any of you that are watching this, tools, seeds, anything we can find on Amazon to link with our Amazon affiliate account will be available in the description. Ain't that right, Wendell? We're even going to try to find one of them tractors to link in the description. What we're doing here is we're setting stakes, marking where the ends of our rows should be, and then running a string so that we can have reasonably straight rows. And so in that top row we have onions, broccoli, cauliflower, watermelon, that sort of thing. Now watermelon, that spreads way out, so the end of that one row we planted with some early season onions. That way that second row right next to the watermelons would clear up in short order. And then corn, the nature of corn is you plant it in 4-row blocks so as to reduce wind damage. They'll kind of hold each other up a little bit. But the string here, we're doing this so that we can go down through and we'll use a hoe and pull the dirt back a little bit, make a trough to put our seeds and stuff in. And so different plants need different depths. Some of them you want to, leave a little looser. Some of them you'll mound up some. Some of them, once they get established, you'll come back and bring the dirt back up to them. But part of the reason that we're spacing the rows the way we are and running string to keep them straight is because then as the summer goes on, we should be able to take a small rototiller or even just like a hand cultivator or something and keep the weeds back and hoe between plants a little bit, because as long as the dirt stays loose between the plants on the surface, the weeds actually have a harder time getting established. But it also makes it just much more aesthetically pleasing, as well as easier to work with. This is a corn seed. They get planted 3 to 6 inches apart. Some people plant them closer, some farther. But if you look real close, you can see we've come through here. We have onions. All right, Cindy, so you're planting potatoes now, right?
Yes.
And how far apart should potatoes be planted?
9 to 12 inches.
Okay.
Approximately.
And as you can see, we've got some nice stems coming off of these spuds.
The eyes are huge.
For those of, these are some pretty good sized eyes. For those of you who don't know, potatoes, you literally, when you see the eyes coming on them, the funny looking ones, sometimes you get them at the store that way. You could actually plant those and have a potato plant.
And if they're long, don't cut them off because that's going to make the potato try to regrow. So just plant it long and have it sticking out.
All right, folks, and this is what green beans look like. So when you're planting green beans, you put them about 3 inches apart in your row. And then when they're a couple inches above soil, then you thin them down to about 6 inches apart.